Hello! In today's video lesson, we will learn to answer the question where, kus. In English, you can answer the question where by using several prepositions: on the table, at work, in the theatre. In Estonian, you can answer the question kus, where, in two ways: by adding the ending l, for example, tööl, at work, or the ending s, for example, teatris, in the theatre. But first you need to put the word into the case you already know, the case omastav. Töö, töö, tööl. Teater, teatri, teatris. Here are some examples with questions and answers. Kus sa oled? Where are you? Tööl, at work. Kus te töötate? Where do you work? Teatris, in the theatre. The endings of this case do not follow the logic of English prepositions. For example, in English we say in the countryside, while in Estonian we say maal, as if on top of the countryside. In English we say on the beach, while in Estonian we say rannas, literally inside the beach. Here are some examples of different ways of answering the question where. Teatris, tänaval, trennis, laual, rannas, turul, peatuses, bussis, jaamas. Compared to the same verbs in English, some of the Estonian verbs need a different question after them. For example, the verb käima, to go. In English we say go to where, go to work. But in Estonian, käima kus, tööl, literally go where, at work. Let's also learn to answer the question kelle juures, at whose place, in the meaning where. Kus sa oled? Where are you? Ma olen arsti juures. I am at the doctor's. I am with the doctor. Kus ta on praegu? Where is he at the moment? Ta on Aleksandri juures. He is at Alexander's. You notice that you need to use the word juures here. Did you notice in which case is the noun before the word juures? That's correct. It is in case omastav. Have a look at the following table. Arst, arsti, arsti juures, at the doctor. Aleksander, Aleksandri, Aleksandri juures, at Alexander's. Mina olen siin. I am here. Kus teie praegu olete? Where are you at the moment? Bye!